Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a short video for you today. I'm gonna be working on my girlfriend's Toyota 4Runner. Hers is a 2015, and this is basically for the back. Looks like these, I think it's 4 pieces total. It's gonna go on the back of the seats for whenever they lay down. We got 2 dogs. We're gonna start traveling with her 4Runner, and definitely gonna need these back there for the dogs and stuff. Also, I think the stationary part between the seats and the tray, hers actually has the tray that slides out. It's a limited model. So let me show you exactly what these look like. Don't mind my dogs in the way. So this is what we're going to be putting in. I think these are for all the hooks and stuff that you have. So I'm guessing that's why those are partially open. Those might fold down. I might have to cut them out the rest of the way. It looks like they're kind of halfway cut. But I'll get out here and get everything set up, and I'll throw them in there. All right, the first thing you want to do is lay down the seats. So there's a little lever right here that you'll pull up. You slip this up and it goes down. Headrest, tilt it down, and there's a button in the top. And that should theoretically go down. You need to raise up the passenger seats. And now it goes down. Alright, so the Velcro already came on it. So I'm going to start at the top on the edge. Go down from there. And this is the piece that flips up so you can get to your hook. So I already got the passenger side on. It's the same way. They're gonna have these 2 pieces. They're gonna go in the center. So this one's gonna go up top. You have your little latch right here, so you need this divot to go up in the corner. That one has access to the hook as well. And this one is going to install like that. Move this one down a little bit. Line it up close with this. Now we're working on the centerpiece. So you're gonna have these that are gonna go on each side, left and right. And this flips up to allow access for your tie down hook. Here's the driver's side. And now we got the centerpiece. This one's kind of folded up, so hopefully we can get it to lay down right. Fold these up and see how it looks. Looks like it catches a little bit. Last thing left is the back. All right, and this is the last piece. It's going to go over the tray. As you can see, this comes out and cleared everything. So here's what it looks like with everything up. Everything functions good. I'll show you a little bit more of a close-up of these, so in case you need these hooks. Pretty easy access to get to it, and also your tie downs. You can get access to. This is what it looks like with everything down, everything installed. There's a couple small things. Is right along this area. It'll kind of catch. You got to kind of push this side a little more over on this end. You can see how it kind of catches. You can hear the Velcro a little bit. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty good, clean install. We'll see how long that actually lasts. We're gonna have our dogs and stuff back here, so. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna get inside, sweat my butt off. It's hot here in Georgia. But I am gonna do a full review of her 4Runner here soon. Kind of go over all the features and stuff that the Limited has, and as well as putting some Raptor lights in. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time.